Welcome to Maxability. To unfold different layers of knowledge, stay tuned with us till the end of the video.
5 different ways of typing on an iPhone with VoiceOver. In this video, I am going to show 5 different ways I know in which someone who is blind or low vision can type on an iPhone using VoiceOver. The 5 types are 1. Standard typing, 2. Touch typing, 3. Direct touch typing, 4. Handwriting, and 5. Dictation. These 5 ways of typing we will be looking with the demonstration in this video. Let us get started. The first one, as I said, is the standard typing. The standard typing comes as default way of typing when you set up your VoiceOver on iPhone. Let me switch to the modes and see whether I am on the standard typing or not. So twist your 2 fingers to move the rotor.
Misspelled words. Swipe left or right to choose a replacement, then double tap to insert. Edit.
I am currently on the Notepad application of iPhone.
Screen recognition. Off. Slide to type. On. Activities. Typing mode. Touch typing.
Typing mode is in touch typing. I have to change it to standard typing. I can flick with 1 finger up or down to change this mode.
Direct touch typing. Standard typing.
Standard typing. So now I am on standard typing. In the standard typing, the first tap on any character or letter on the keyboard will just speak out what it is. In order to insert that character, you have to double tap. The second tap will insert the character.
Cap S. Cap R. Cap T.
So it just spoken out that the letter is capital T. I have to double tap so that the character gets inserted.
Cap T. Y.
Similar.
Y. P.
P.
E. E. Space. Numbers. Space. Space. Type. Numbers.
Even to change
Letters.
the mode, I have to double tap.
1. 1. Symbols. Hyphen. Hyphen. 1. Question mark. Space. Space.
1.
S. A. F. D. S. S. R. T. T. A. A. N. N. D. D. A. A. R. R. S. D. D. Space. 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 Standard. T. T. Y. Y. P. P. I. I. N. N. G. G. Numbers. Period. Full stop. Typing.
Standard typing. In order to make your typing a little faster, primarily you should know where each character in the QWERTY keyboard are and keep your finger towards that direction. If you understand, I am just doing that because I know the letters T, Y, P, E are in the first line of the QWERTY keyboard. I am just ensuring that my focus of my finger is somewhere in that area of the screen. If I have to type in the letters ZXCV, I have to place my finger towards the bottom of the screen, or even to type the space character, I have to keep my finger further down on the screen so that my typing becomes a little easier. Otherwise, always you have to guess, or you have to scroll your finger on the keyboard to find where the characters are.
Symbols. Hyphen. 1.
See here.
Symbols. Letters.
You have to do this. I'm
Numbers.
just rolling my finger on the keyboard.
Q W E R T Y U O P L M N B P C.
Okay, now you heard C and you want to type it, then you have to type it. Instead, if you know that the letter C is in the bottom line, you can directly place your finger somewhere in the bottom and onto the left half. So that is pretty important for quicker typing. And now let me
Delete. Return.
show
line.
you the second type, that is touch typing.
Misspelled word. Edit. Screen rec. Slide to type. Activities. Typing mode. Standard typing.
I have moved my rotor to typing mode and flipping down.
Touch typing.
It said touch typing. This is what I'm looking for. Same method. Roll your finger or touch wherever you have to find the character. And once you find the character that you are required to type in, just lift your finger. That inserts the character. That is what is touch typing. Unlike the standard typing, you no need to do double tap. It is little quicker than the standard typing.
Cap R. Cap T. Cap T. Y. Y. P. P. W. E. E. Space. Top numbers. Slash. 2. 2. Zip hyphen. Hyphen. Question mark. Space. Space. Shift. Cap T. Cap T. O. O. U. U. C. C. J. H. H. Space. R. T. T. Y. Y. O. P. P. I. I. B. N. N. B. F. G. G. Period. Full stop. Type it. Delete. Quotation mark. Return. New line.
If you observe, it is little faster than the standard typing, but still you are bound to make mistakes. If you have observed, I am not keeping the finger right exactly on the character. I might be keeping a little onto the left, onto the bottom, onto the right, or onto the top. And depending on where I have kept my finger and the actual character that I want to type, I have to just drag my finger to that direction and just lift the finger. For example, to type the letter G, I have placed my finger on letter F. So I know that the letter G is on the right side of F. I just flip my finger towards the right. When I heard letter G, I lift my finger and that will type the character. So it is a little faster compared to the standard typing. And the third type is
Misspelled words. Edit. Screen rec. Slide to type. Activities. Typing mode. Touch typing. Direct touch typing.
direct touch typing. This is something which I am not comfortable. Usually this can be used with someone who have low vision, who might be able to see the screen, but for the confidence they might be also using voiceover along with their vision. For them it is a good choice. They can see the character, place the finger directly on the character to type it, like what you do without voiceover, and voiceover will boost their confidence by saying the right character that you have typed in. I will give it a try, but don't expect that I will be typing in accurately with this. This is the mode I am not comfortable with. And if not, I am able to exactly type the words type 3 hyphen, which I am assuming I will not be typing in accurately. This is the direct touch typing. Wherever I tap my finger, that character gets inserted by default.
Cat R.
See.
Y. P. P. O. S. R. E. Space. Ripor. Misspelled.
So instead of doing the word type, I have you written something mistake. So I can also do a spell check here.
Misspelled words.
So there is a
Swipe left or
misspell.
right to choose a replacement, then double tap to insert. No replacements.
So let me...
L. Delete. E. Report. Menu item.
So it says report. This is not I'm looking for.
No. Text field is editing. Type 1 standard typing. Type 2
So,
touch typing. Insertion point at start.
if you are comfortable, you can
Insertion
also
point at
do misspell check. I'm not going to do it right now. We'll reserve it for some other video. So that's type 3, direct touch typing. Sorry, I am not able to do the demonstration as accurately as I should be, but that is something for someone who is having low vision and can be using voiceover.
New line. Delete. Return. New line.
So now let me move to the other typing mode, that is the handwriting.
Misspelled word. Edit. Screen record. Slide to type. Activities. Typing mode. Vertical navigate. Headings. Language. Volume. Speaking rate. Words. Handwriting. Lowercase.
Again, keep twisting your finger using the rotor feature to hear the word handwriting. When you heard the word handwriting, that is where you can stop your rotor, and this is one of the interesting features. If you are someone who became blind in between, you know how the characters look like. You've been writing with your hands before, but not now, then this feature is for you. You know the character and you know how to type it, how to write it. So there are different modes within handwriting. To switch the modes, you have to use 3-finger flick up or down. Let me show that.
Uppercase.
That is uppercase. By default, your focus will be on
Lowercase.
So as soon as you get into the handwriting and you start writing, then it writes in the lowercase characters. If you want the uppercase character, you have to flick 3 fingers down.
Uppercase.
Uppercase. If you do it again,
Numbers.
switches to numbers, and
Punctuation.
the last one is punctuation. Depending on what you are typing, what you are writing, you have to switch the modes from lowercase to uppercase to punctuations to numbers.
Lowercase. Uppercase.
Let me start with uppercase. So once you switch your mode to the kind of content that you have to write, just swipe the character how it looks like on your screen. Just write it on the screen with your finger or stylus.
Tab T.
P,
Numbers. Punctuation. Lowercase.
lowercase,
Y.
Y,
P.
P,
L. L. P.
type. To delete a character, do 2-finger left swipe.
E.
E,
L. L. C. C.
sorry,
L. 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 L.
some characters will show like this.
E.
E, type.
Space. Type.
2-finger right swipe will insert a space, and now I need to use type 4. I have to switch from lowercase to numbers.
Uppercase. Numbers.
Numbers
4.
4, and now punctuation.
Punctuation. Slash. 4. Slash.
Sorry,
Hyphen. 4. Space.
now uppercase.
Lowercase. Uppercase. Cap H.
H,
Numbers. Punctuation. Lowercase.
lowercase,
A. N. D.
space,
Space. Hand. W. R. I. T. T. I. H. H.
sorry,
N J J G
and punctuation.
uppercase. Numbers. Punctuation. Full stop. Reading. Misspelled.
Handwriting. So I think I did the spelling mistake. I can delete it.
Full stop. G N I T.
Okay. Deleted one I and
Lowercase. I H H H H
I should be very clear
N
in how I am writing the character.
J
See,
J J J
sorry for that.
G
Okay, handwriting.
uppercase. Uppercase. Cap I. Cap I. Numbers. One uppercase. Lowercase. Punctuation. Full stop. Writing 1. Full stop. 1. Full stop. Writing.
So handwriting. So once you are done with the handwriting, you can have to twist your two fingers to set the rotor away from handwriting, otherwise the screen is all busy in the handwriting mode. So you need to switch the mode using the rotor.
Misspelled words.
Okay,
Swipe left or right to choose a replacement, then double tap to insert.
so that is the handwriting type 4. And the fifth one I'm gonna show.
Delete L. Delete. Return. New line.
Which is my favorite, but I cannot use it always. That is dictation. Using the dictation feature, you can just speak out and everything gets typed in. With VoiceOver, it is quite simple. You have either you can either use a 2-finger double tap to start dictation. It's a magic tap, or you can press the dictation button on the bottom line of your keyboard. That also will enable dictation mode. So I'm just using 2-finger double tap. Because dictation feature opens a little alert, you are not able to hear what I have been dictating, but you can use the 2-finger double tap to start dictation and the same gesture 2-finger double tap to stop dictation. Observe that the content type 5 - dictation has been inserted into the notes. That's how you type in different ways on an iPhone using VoiceOver. My favorite ways of typing are touch typing and dictation. In the comments, share what is your favorite way of typing on an iPhone or iPad. Thank you very much for watching this.
Thank you for watching and being with us. Please like and share the video. Don't forget to click on the bell icon. And also, for more updates, subscribe the channel.